In Texas, there has been bombings that are very similar to the Unabomber. The bomber would send packages in the mail, and when they would open it, it would explode. One day, when Mark Condit was driving away, police officers were approaching, and he blew himself up. The Texas bomber was almost caught, and before he was caught, he killed himself. The Texas bomber had sent many packages with bombs in them to random homes in Austin, Texas. The bomber Mark Condit was almost caught by police, but before they could catch him, he killed himself. Before he killed himself, he recorded a 25-minute confession video. In this video, there was no evidence of terror or hate remarks. As police closed in on his car, he had a bomb with him and decided to detonate it. The police said there are no more devices to endanger the public. The Texas bomber killed 2 people and injured 6 more. The Texas bomber struck fear into many people, not only in Austin but also all of Texas. Before Mark killed himself, he had been charged with 1 count of unlawful possession and transfer of a destructive device. The roommates of Mark Condit were totally unaware of what he was doing. In conclusion, the bomber in Texas was identified as Mark Condit. Before his death, he recorded a 25-minute confession video. In this video, there were no signs of terrorist or hate remarks. While officers were approaching his car, he killed himself. Here is my works cited. The author was Gary Odongu. I accessed this website at 3/22/2018. The title was Austin Bomber. Deceased suspect named in Texas blast. Here is the link, and I got it from BBC. There is a picture of him.